Hello, good evening. Today's date is 12 October 2021 and my name is Nilesh Hanmanta Shinde and I am going to describe today's video topic. Today's video topic name is a Tomcat and Java application development. So before we start, we must have to know that what is the Tomcat. The Tomcat is nothing but an open source Java servlet container that implements many Java enterprises such as website APIs and Java servlet pages. So this is the servlet contains this, and the complete name of the complete name of the Tomcat server is Apache Tomcat, and it is developed in 1998 first time. When it comes, then it is developed for as a reference implementation for Java servlet APIs and Java servlet pages, but it is no longer works as its reference. So now we are using the Tomcat for the hosting, the routing and the hosting. So we know that before we know that, we have to know what is the exactly the Apache Tomcat. If we know the little bit if you familiar the little bit about the coding or the website designing or the application designing, you must be know at the basic, that is the you must be heard about the what is the HTTP protocols or what is the actually thing. If you want to provide some web service, such as you want to provide some simple and the dynamic content possibly by using the HTML, that is the hypertext markup language. So if you want to send the data from your point to other point, then you must have one server. So that is the server is required. So that server is nothing but a HTTP, that is the hypertext transfer protocol. So that we know that all about this. If you want to send some simple data from the one point to other point, this need to one server. So that you must be required one server. And if you have to send some dynamic data from the one point to the another point, then you must have a dynamics. You must have a HTTP server. So that HTTP server is nothing but a hypertext transfer protocol server. But when we are using the dynamic data, we have to we are using the servlet. So the servlet is also have a one container. So we can repeat it. If you want to make a simple and static website, then we have to require the HTTP server. But if you want to make a website which is dynamic, then we have to require the use of the servlet. That means we use the HTTP server if we want to send the simple data, and if you want to send some dynamic data, then we can use the website dynamic. So we have to use the servlet. Hence we need to HTTP server. And what else we need? It is the container where we will run our servlet. So that's why we are using the servlet. We know that what is the Tomcat. The Tomcat is nothing but the combination of the server and the servlet. Both are combined become a single server, which is known as a Tomcat server. So in the simple words, we can say that the Apache Tomcat is actually a server and the servlet container. So the servlet is a container which is basically an implementation of our Java specification, and which is mainly used for the hosting and the routing purposes. So that is all about what is the server, what is the Tomcat. Thank you.